Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to show you how I put together some crafty ideas by first going to a local craft store called Michaels. So I've been wanting to do something really special in our home, maybe some art or some picture framed. I wasn't figuring it all out yet, but I've been inspired by lots of designers on Instagram and on YouTube to just go ahead and do an engineered print. So let me show you what I did to create the engineered print and how I got it ordered. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your engineered prints. This is my first time doing it as well. So I am just gonna go to Staples, engineered prints. So once you get to this part of the website, you're just gonna get to the get started and you'll be able to upload your print. Now let me show you how I made my print. So first, before I do that, let me just make sure I show you all this part. You're just gonna forget that it says photo images. I have heard that if you do it in black and white, it'll look really cool, but I am doing mine in color and I'll show you why I'm not too worried about it being pixelated. So you're going to give it a name up here and then add the file. So you're gonna upload files up here, just right here. So let me show you how I mean, it's super easy and I just uploaded my file here, boom. And then when you're done, you're just gonna add it to the cart and then boom, done. You pick the, after you've made your account, you're going to be able to pick up your print. So mine was gonna be 18 by 24 and it was straight up $2.99. So I'm gonna be picking it up pretty soon and I'll show you, but let me show you how I made the print. First off, I got this app called WATERLOGUE. And so it's easy to install and it costs about $5. And you can see that I just looked for any print that I had in my phone. I just got one of my son. And so it's so easy. You just click whichever font you kind of want to use. So to say font, and then there it is. It's kind of like watercolors. Ta-dow. It is so easy to do, right? So now I'm on my way to Michael's and I'll take you with me and we'll go do some little bit of shopping. I wanted to get a frame. I want to look at that. Plus I have some other ideas for some crafting things, but I also wanted to take a look and show with you some of their discount areas. So let's go. All right, we're at Michael's. Let's see what they've got. So as beautiful as these frames are, they're really out of my price range. Even with a 40% off coupon. What a bummer. For some reason, I was thinking it was going to be like half these prices. What was I thinking? Look at these prices. I may come back and get this. Look at these big balls of yarn. They're wool. Looks like I could do some comfy little blanket. What a good price. It is July and the Halloween stuff is coming. Oh man, I am loving it. This just makes my heart so happy because it's like 110 out in these areas, but fall is just around the corner. I love it. This whole area is 60% off. I'm loving like all of these wreaths. I need one for my living room, so it's still deciding. It looks like this whole wall is 70% off. So you can see lots of outdoor stuff that could work inside. Like that would be beautiful. And all of these little framed sayings. Or some that you could even just paint over and recreate for 70% off. You might be able to get away with that. And I'm liking that. What is that? It's just wall decor, but it's so cute, right guys? So even though everything was so cool, so cute, and I just want to buy a lot, I have to refrain, and I went there with a purpose. I wanted to get a stencil, and so I'm just going to be putting that little stencil. I just recently painted all my chairs black, so I thought a little stencil on the seat would be super cute. What do you think? So I'm going to go buy, I saw the Goodwill down the street, and I'm going to go take a look just in case I find something there for a frame. Let's go really fast. There are lots of frames here. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's only $7.99, and I could just kind of do some TLC to this and paint it the color I want. And it is a little bit smaller than 18 by 24, but I will make it work. Well, I'm super happy with that frame, even though it does need a little TLC, and it's a little bit smaller than the print that I'm getting. It's okay, because I think I can just trim off some of the sides to make it fit. But one thing that I liked about it is that it had a glass already on it, so that way I don't really have to adhere the print to like cardstock or a foam board or anything like that. So let me go home, get that going, and I'll show you what color I choose. And that was the color I choose to paint it, by the way. Okay, so my brain is like computer tabs that are open to different websites and all at once. Let me know in the comments if you know what I mean. So we're back home. I have on my apron, and I'm just gonna do some light sanding to try to get some of these areas some little love, and then we'll start painting. I can't wait to show you. Transformation is coming along nicely. I use this chalk paint that you can get from Walmart. It's like $6, and they have like tons of different shades. So, and you don't have to like be a pro. It can be up and down. You can use a brush, a roller, whatever. A little goes a long way. So I've already done 2 coats of white, and you can see the wood grain. I might even do a little sanding. We'll see. But you can see it's starting to come together. I'm cleaning the glass, and I'm so happy that I went to the Goodwill on the way back from Michaels. Wasn't that such a good plan? Yeah, I totally thought it all up by myself. No, it was just, I just felt like stopping by. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just put this project to the side, wait a couple of days, because with my engineered print, it has to wait a few days, or I would have been charged like an emergency fee of $10 extra. So I'll wait a couple of days, but I will show you what it all looks like when it comes together. But I'm so excited. So super proud of myself so far, and I'll see you in a couple days. So it's been a couple of days, and we are on our way to go to Staples to pick up a special print. I'm so excited. So we just came back from the Staples, and here's the engineered print. So it's just a large picture, and I do need to trim it down, which is fine because it's just like a big printer, and you can see that that watercolor app looks really good in this picture. Now it's not glossy like a picture like you would get like at Costco, but it is more like a printer with some good quality colors. So I'm impressed. So let me get this going and get it measured, trim it out, and mount it. I'm so excited. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. I love the watercolor look to it. The frame is awesome. Now, this picture did not include the whole historic home anyways, so it's okay that it got chopped off a little bit, but that's to remind us of our vacation with the Phillips. So I'll link it somewhere up here so you can take a look at that. I love this transformation. Let me know in the comments if you have ever gone to the thrift store and upcycled something that you just totally love the outcome. So let's talk about price here. So this frame, $7.99, you guys. And I probably could have got it cheaper if I had signed up for 50% off days and things like that. So something to keep in mind. The print, you saw that I went on staples.com. It is called an engineer print. Even though it's not, it doesn't really work well with pictures, because it's a watercolor picture, it's okay that it was pixelated in that way, like it's not perfect. The app that I used was called WATERLOGUE, and but the engineer print cost $3. And the WATERLOGUE app that I can use over and over and over again was $5. So all together, I mean, and really I'm not going to even add the app because I'm just going to be using it for upcoming gifts or just more prints. All of this was $11. $11! Wow, right, you guys? So this is part of the DIY stuff and the creative outlets that I love doing. So let me know in the comments if you are crafty, but if you're not, do you think that this is something that you could do? Right? So easy. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'm so grateful to all of you, your kind comments, and give this video a thumbs up and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Ooh.